Hi. So in this video, we are going to learn how to create hard and soft links. But before we do that, we have to know two options that come with the ls command. So here I'll just change directory to my desktop. And okay. So the first thing that we need to learn is how to show the inode numbers of the files. So here I have two files, right? Namely directory 1 and original. Original is just a text file that contains random text. Okay. So if I want to show the inode numbers of these two files, all I need to do is just say ls space -i. And this will show you the inode numbers of the files in your current directory. If I want to show the inode numbers of my files in my root directory, I just need to say ls -i and /, because / represent the root directory. And here is the all the inode numbers of the root directory. Okay. So another thing that we need to know is how to show the file size. So if you type ls space -l, this will show you a lot of information about the files. However, I'm only interested in this column right now. I will show you what is this command all about next video or in the later video. But here I'm only interested in this column. You see here? So here it will show you the file size in bytes. So if I go here and say properties, yeah, this is the file size in bytes. See this number here is the same number like here. Okay. So now we know how to show the inode numbers and how to see and how to show the file size. Okay. What if I want to create a hard link for this text file? All I need to do is just say ln. ln stands for link. And then I will have to specify the original file name, which in this case is called original. And here I have to specify my hard link name. I'll just call it hard link 1. And as you can see, hard link 1 is created. I will also create another hard link. I will call it hard link 2. And here I have another hard link. So remember what we said about hard links is that they have the same exact inode number as the original file. So let's check that. If I go ahead and type ls space -i, this will show the inode numbers. And as you can see, this inode number of the original file is the exact same inode number for hard link 1 and hard link 2. They are exactly the same. We also said that hard links have the exact same file size like the original file. And we can also check that if we say ls space -l, and this will tell you, you see, the exact same file size. We also said one more important thing. So here, if you open hard link 1, it will show you the exact same content as the original file. Here is the original, here is the hard link 1, and here is hard link 2. They all have the exact content, you see? Exact copy. Okay. We said that if you delete the original file, the hard link will not be affected by any means. And so let's see that. If I delete the original file, so here is, as you can see, if I do ls, I don't have original file anymore. However, if I open hard link 1, it will open just like normal, So hard link 1 and hard link 2 are not affected by any means by deleting the original file. Okay. So let's try. So right now I will make another, or let's call this, I'll just rename hard link 1 to be called original. And here I'll just rename hard link 1 to be the hard link 2 to be hard link 1. Okay. So what if I want to create a soft link? All I need to do is just say ln space dash s, and then like before I will specify my original file name, and here I will specify my soft link name. I will call it soft link 1, and I will do another soft link. I will call it soft link 2. So here I add space dash s. So if you want to create a hard link, you don't need to specify this one, space dash s, as you can see here, hard link. But if you want to create a soft link, you have to say ln space dash s. Dash s, which stands for soft link. The s here stands for soft link. So remember what we said about soft links? First of all, they have different inode numbers. So let's check that. If I go here and type ls space dash I, so as you can see here, this inode number is different than this inode number. You see, here is 190 and here is 290. And also this inode number is different than all of these inode numbers. So even soft links have different inode numbers. So this one is different than this one, which in turn is different than this one. However, this hard link has the exact same inode number like the original one. So here is the first difference between soft links and hard links. Another thing we said about soft links is that they have smaller file size than the original file. So if you go ahead and say ls-l, as you can see, you see, they have significantly smaller file size. Here's only 8 bytes compared to 89,873. You see here? Different is only 8 bytes. Each of these soft links have only 8 bytes compared to the hard link, which has the exact same file size. And also, as you can see here, they also have like a different color. And you see here, it's like this arrow is like, it shows you that they point to the original file. Okay, so if I open soft link 1, it will contain the same data as the original file, like you would expect. However, here is what is very important. Remember, we said that if you deleted the original file, the soft link will become useless. So right now I have soft link 2 and soft link 1. They open like normal, and they all have the same content like the original file. However, if I deleted the original file, I cannot even open soft link 1. You see? I cannot even open any soft link. So they became useless, or they become useless. So as you can see here, you see even the color changed. And if I see ls-l, you see this color is different than this color. They become red. So, however, the hard link is the same. It's not affected by any means. So that is what is different between hard links and soft links. Okay, I will tell you one more information. That is, you can create soft links for directories. So if you go here and say ln-s directory 1, and then I'll create a soft link, call it soft dir. This will okay, this is a soft link for directory 1. However, if I try to create a hard link, this will not allow. So hard links are not allowed for directories. If I try to make a hard directory, it will tell you hard link not allowed for directories. So you just have to remember that you can create soft links for directories. However, you cannot create hard links for directories. The reason for that is that if you are allowed to create hard links for directories, there can be like ambiguity, right? You see, like if you have, for example, 2 names for the root directory, or if you have 2 names for your log directory, this will be this will not have very good results. So that's why hard links are not allowed. They used to be allowed actually in the past, but they created lots of problems. So that's why hard links now are not allowed. So you can only create soft links for directories. So that's it for this video. And in the next video, I will talk about all the command options that you can use with the ls command. Until then, ciao.